stretching through. Exhale, draw up. Exhale, open. Maybe let the elbows touch the floor. Maybe let the hands drop down. Now when you do that, you don't want the chest lifted. Exhale, lifting, holding, I say floating, suspended. Some of them find it very hard. This lady here with a shoulder problem, if you feel your shoulder, honey, with the elbows on the floor and hands down, don't. You're not ready for it. Just leave the arms floating and then stretch out the middle finger. Exhale, curl in, open, turn the palms, get ready to curl through. Press the feet on the floor, reach through, let the head curl up if you can. Not if you want to, but if you can. Open the arms, you're not pushing the belly up, you're not compressing the lumbar spine. Lifting up, curl through, hold, Indian chief position, power. Your ribs are going to lift now. Grip that ball, arms are coming over the head, forehead line. You'll feel your ribs lifting and you feel a different stretch. Draw the arms down to your rib cage and up over. And down. Is everybody okay with that range of motion? Yeah. Lovely.